Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this episode I'm going to talk about one American genius. And if you don't want to miss these kind of videos, just go a little bit down and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. And we start. Richard Stallman is an American genius. He was born in 1953 in New York. He was working in an AI company in artificial intelligence, and at the same time he was a software developer plus hacker. In 1971 he decided to go out from artificial intelligence and build his own program, which is named GNU. This program look like Unix, but it doesn't have any same code with Unix. So what is GNU? Did you hear about this? Probably not. I'm gonna explain you. GNU is a unique operation system with its own software and similar with its design to the Unix, but it doesn't contain any Unix code in its core. GNU project is not ordinary project, because BSD project, which was prepared to the University of California, was an open source project. Here's the interesting thing. TCP and IP is an indispensable part of internet, was not available almost for anyone. Later, it was developed and made visible for everyone and developed by BSD. The net worth of Richard Stallman consists about $9 million. And that was all about Richard Stallman. And now I'm going to talk about the three kind of hackers, because my video is about the hacker. He was just a hacker and software developer, and plus he decided in 1971 quit from artificial intelligence, and 1982 he started to do his own GNU. That was interesting fact to me. And now I'm going to talk about three kind of hackers, dangerous hackers, but one of them is not actually dangerous. Exist three kind of hackers. The first is white hacker, second gray hacker, and third is a very dangerous black hackers. The white hacker is actually safe hacker, and these kind of hackers never stole your information or never take your private information and never share it in internet. They always defend you from sometimes gray and black hackers. Why I told sometimes gray, I will explain you now. The gray hackers is actually in my interests, because these kind of hackers can be sometimes white hacker and black hacker. It depends on how much you pay him and which place of hackers pay a lot to these hackers, they're working for them. And when sometimes if black hacker pays him a lot, they starting work for black hacker and they become the black hacker. And when white hackers pay them a lot of money, they become a white hacker and plays against black hackers. So here's the interesting thing. Here's to have some connection, right? And finally, black hackers. These kind of hackers is very, very dangerous hackers. So they always stole your private information and share in internet, plus they damage those devices from where they took these private information and infect these devices. And the next time when you're starting to write your private information in your computer, they always know about this because they infected this computer. So a lot of humanity, a lot of people work against these black hackers, but they never ever win them, because they are very strong and very clever, and plus very dangerous hackers. And finally, we're gonna finish. And before finishing video, I wanna say thank you for watching and put like and subscribe my channel. All the which I want from you is to put like and subscribe my channel. And every day I'm gonna put about new hacker, because I have one book where I learned a lot of information about hackers. Alright guys, goodbye, be safe, stay in Windows.